Hello, it's Raymond, a silver leader in Young Living, hoping to go gold this month, but maybe it'll be in January, I don't know. And this is my unboxing video for the month of December. I order on the first day of every single month, and so do most people in my organization. Now, what should you order? I'm going to show you what I ordered, but like I'm ordering interesting things, and I'll tell you what they are. But there's three basic kind of areas of Young Living products. One is oils, one is the Thieves cleaning products, and the other is the nutritional products like Ninja Red. So for the oils, let me tell you what I got. I got Raven, and I don't even know what Raven is, so I'm sure I got that because it was free. And I'm gonna smell it right now. I'm gonna smell it while you watch. I wonder what Raven smells like. Oh, wow. Oh, that feels like a pick-me-up. I think the first thing in the morning, I'm going to put Raven on my diffuser at my office. Oh, it's wonderful. And then I wanted to get Christmas Spirit. I really wanted to buy it, but I noticed it came free. So I deleted it from what I bought because it came free anyways. And it smells wonderful. It smells like Christmas trees. And then I always order peppermint because peppermint is really good to help you sleep, and it's really good to pick you up. So it not only lets you sleep, but it is also a pick-me-up. It's very strange. It has two opposite effects. So I really love peppermint. And then here is Northern Lights Black Spruce, and we always order 2 every single month. Why? Because my wife has a little trouble falling asleep, and so we have a diffuser right beside the bed. And every night we diffuse Northern Lights Black Spruce. It's amazing. It's a fall asleep helper. It's so amazing. And we sleep soundly right through the night. So this is on order no matter what every single month. Now, frankincense. Oh my gosh. First of all, the fragrance is amazing. Second of all, the 3 wisest men in the world were asked to make up a gift for baby Jesus, and they decided on frankincense. So who am I? I mean, if the 3 wisest men in the world ordered it, I want to order it too, and it smells wonderful. And when I look in the essential oil desk reference, I find that frankincense is useful as a cure for many ailments. So I just diffuse that every so often, and my ailments might well go away. Now, grand fir. The reason I order this is because we love the flavor of Northern Lights Black Spruce so much that every month I try a different coniferous tree oil just to see maybe we'll like that one even better. But it's just an experiment. It's just for fun. So those are the oils. And by the way, I already have 90 oils in inventory. So to get another 10 is kind of silly, but I just love the oils. So that's the oils. Now the second is the Thieves line of household cleansers. And we already bought a huge package, so the only ones we needed this time is the laundry soap. The laundry soap for the automatic dishwasher. So we got 2 of them just so we would never run out. And that's not necessarily just what you should order. You might want to order the home cleaning kit because it'll give you like everything that you want. And by the way, when you order the home cleaning kit, like it's 100 PV and it's just a big discount on lots of products, you might also want to go to Amazon and search for amber mixing spray bottles. Amber mixing spray bottles. And you can buy 2 of them or 4 of them or 6 of them. I'm suggesting get 4 or 6 of them. And they're different sizes and they have a spray top so that, because Young Living doesn't have those spray containers. They just have the big container that you buy it in, but then in order to use it, you have to have it in a spray container. And they don't sell that. So go to Amazon.com and order that. And because of Christmas, I ordered something special. I ordered a 6-pack. Wait till you see this. Oh, it's a little messy. Oh my gosh. It's a little hard to see. But there's 3 of the foaming hand soap in the Christmas Spirit flavor. And there's 3 in the Winter Nights flavor. And the reason I got these is they're not expensive, but they're amazing stocking stuffers. And of course you get the plunger. And they're just amazing. They're the best soap I've ever had. I just love this soap. You just squeeze it and it comes out as foam in your hand and you can smell it. It's wonderful. And then it froths and you clean your hands. And then I just stay in the washroom and just smell my hands. It's so amazing. And I didn't bring one here, I'm sorry. But I also love the charcoal soap. Charcoal soap. I'd like to show it to you, but it's like black, solid black. How do you put solid black on your face and your face comes clean? It's weird, but the smell is amazing and I love it. Charcoal soap. It's a solid bar and this is a foam. So I've talked about the oils and I've talked about the Thieves and I've talked about Christmas gifts and now my absolute favorite, Ninja. I got one box of a 4-pack and then I realized that's not going to be enough. And so I got another box of a 2-pack. A 4-pack is all you need for a month. It gives you 1 or 2 ounces in the morning, 1 or 2 ounces at night for the whole month. But I like to be more protected. So I wanted a 6-pack. And after I bought the 4-pack, I said, you know what? I want to order 2 more. And so my second order came before my first order, so I don't have the 4-pack yet. It'll probably come tomorrow. But this is amazing. Everyone needs to be on this. It's an antioxidant, and your body doesn't produce enough antioxidants as you grow older, but your body's being assaulted more than ever with the bad air and the bad food and the bad water. You're being assaulted by bad news and goofy news and white policemen shooting black unarmed teenagers. Like, the news is so bad, and every time you hear this bad news, waves of oxidizing go through your body. Just like if you cut an apple, it turns brown, that's oxidizing. Well, that's what's going on to your organs. But your body knows that, and so it mounts its own army of good guys, antioxidants. But unfortunately, the bad guys, the oxidizing, is so big these days. And as you get older, your army of good guys gets weaker, and the discrepancy is the degenerative diseases of cancer and diabetes and arthritis and swelling and the need for hip replacements and the need for knee replacements. And so you need an antioxidant these days. You need it. And I take a 6-pack every month because I want to be really well protected. If you can't afford it, then just do a 4-pack. That's what the company says. But I like to go a little overboard. So that's what I've done. I'm a Ninja freak, a Ninja addict. I love Ninja. And I know I'm being playful, but I just love Young Living. I just love Young Living. I was with another company for 26 years, and I recently quit this year, like in May, in order to join Young Living because I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. And I wish you the best of success. If you haven't ordered already, order. Most of my people in Young Living order on the very first day of the month. So I love you. Order. Go to your youngliving.com website. Put in your account number and your password. If you don't know how to order, if you've forgotten something, then just email me. I'll help you. Email me. Okay, I love you. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, whatever your religion is, and have a wonderful 2021. May 2021 be a little less goofy than 2020. Thank you. Bye-bye.